Guys, we're out here fishing, doing the Mystery Tackle Box Fishing Challenge, and got the popper. Yes, in case you're wondering, I did get a chest mount, and we're going to be fishing, using it. I hope you like the angle. I'm going to try and keep you guys steady. Guys, right before I started recording, my sister noticed this. There's a turtle in our neighbor's horse pen. Right there. Hopefully it doesn't get trampled. It either came from our pond or our next door neighbors have a pond and it came from over there. Turtle's making his way over there to the other pond, right by that horse. Or no, there's another horse. Horses. These are our chickens. They're still babies. Make sure to go check out the short that I made with them. It's titled Poor Chickens, because it really was sad. There they are now, letting them roam free. Hopefully I can pull one out tomorrow. In the meantime, just watch me feed the chickens. Eat. That's a lot of chickens. We're out here this morning and I got the popper on. It's really early morning, so the bass should be biting. Oh, there's the baby bass right there. A lot of big bluegill too. Guys, I'm gonna try and catch that baby bass really quick. This isn't part of the challenge because I didn't get anything really small out of the mystery tackle box, but okay, I'll just put this right here because I'm gonna get it out again. Right here. I'm just gonna get this thing up. And grab a crappie tube. Alright, well, one of those are missing. So I'll just grab the black and chartreuse. Typical crappie tube. I like the white ones with the red tips, but don't know where it's at. I mean, I have more, it's just the one that's pre-rigged, I don't know where it's at. Alright. Putting on the crappie tube. Alright. There we go. And they'll just sit and fall down just like that. And this bass, it's only about 5-6 inches long. Oh, there's two of them. They should eat it. So this is not part of the challenge because I did not get the crappie tube in the mystery tackle box. Oh, hooked up on a bluegill or something like that. Could have been that bass. There's 2 baby bass right here. Alright, I'm gonna switch it up to a small soft plastic. Try and catch some bass. I'm gonna open this. And do I take the gray one? Or this one? I want one that's small enough to fit in the fish's mouth. I think I'm gonna choose the gray one. I think it looks more visible in the water. I just need to take one out. There we go. Nice little soft plastic swim bait. Close this back up. Put it back in that pocket. And, okay, open this pocket. Grab a jig head. Oh, there's the jig head. Right, I got it. Gotta get that other hook undone. Jig head right there. So I've already rigged this before, so just gonna put it straight through there. Okay, that was a little too much. Just like that. Shove that in there. And then boom. Hopefully they'll take that for a minnow. I'll get a good sized bass. Alright. Come on, bass. Just doing a straight slow retrieve, hung up in some grass. Oh, there's that baby bass. I really want to catch that guy. Throw that out there. Start popping it. I just want like a bass to fly out of the water. That'd be so cool to catch on camera. Look at all the bluegill right here. All the bluegill are just sitting right there. Come on, bass. Just for the video, I'll catch you, take a picture, and then release. That simple. Oh, got one. Dude, he just got attacked. Dude, that was so sick. Oh, come on, stay on. I watched him come for it. Oh, I didn't get it on camera, though. It was so sick. All right. Oh, on the popper. All right, let's go. We got a bass. Just what I wanted. He was sitting there along the shore. And he saw it, and he swam out, and I saw him waking. And then, boom, he exploded on it. So cool. I don't know. I don't think I got it on camera. Fat fish. All right. And now we're just going to release him. So there he is on the popper. All right, we're going to try and let you guys be able to see this. There he goes. Got my sock wet. Soggy socks is unbearable. All right, well, I'm going to keep trying and hopefully get another fish. All right, that was 6. So there is one more thing I want to get into this video. I mean, I did just release that fish, but the mystery tackle box gave me some circle hooks. So hopefully I can catch a catfish. I just gotta use the circle hooks and hook up on a catfish. That would be epic. I'll come back out later and see if I can get one then. So I'll see you then. We are here, step 2 of the mystery tackle box fishing challenge. I'm going to be trying to catch a catfish. And for this, I need to catch a bluegill to use for bait. So, I'm going to try it.
And cool. I'm here too.
Yep, Jade's here. Yeah. Alright, so I just got a little bobber with a piece of cheese. Throw it out there. And I got one.
You already got one?
That's a good sized catfish bait. So, I'm just gonna go hook them on, cast it out there, and I'll see you when you get one. Ow. Jade just got a bluegill. Alright, this is how I'm hooking these things. So, I just, hang on, the bucket's right here. There's Jade's. Nice. Okay, so here's the circle hook I'm using. Ooh, pretty big. It's a 7/0 circle hook. Oh my gosh, look at the knot on that guy's head. It's insane. It's actually really weird. Why does it do that? It's like normal bluegill, and then it comes up and has a big dip. Anyway, we're gonna use this guy for bait. Oh crap, he's spiking me. So, ow. So we're just gonna take this, come back behind the dorsal fin. And make sure you can see that. Oh, clear some scales. And it'll sit there and he'll stay alive. Oh, and if he comes off the hook, he'll still be able to swim around and be alive. So, we're gonna cast it. Here's Jade's bluegill. Hey.
Look at his yellow belly.
Alright. So I'm gonna cast it pretty shallow. Oh look, there's a bass over there. I'm gonna cast it pretty shallow. Skip that. Yeah. Alright. Oh, that was too shallow. Like that was what you call shallow. Like that went nowhere basically. Oh no, my bail. Alright. Look how lively this guy is. He's trying to swim off already. Alright. Alright, there we go. Pretty shallow. Just sit that right there. Flip the bail. Alright. Just like that. Tighten my line a little. And hopefully we'll get a catfish. So we'll see you then. Hey guys, I'm back out here with my catfish line. And it's been about 2.5 hours since I've set it out. And I'm just going to be reeling it in and see if I have one. Doesn't look like it's changed, but we'll see. Looks like it's moving a little bit, but I'm not sure. Don't think I have one. Nope. And my bluegill's gone. Well, I tried to get a catfish for the end, but didn't get one. So, thank you guys so much for watching the Mystery Tackle Box Fishing Challenge. I'll see you next time. Goodbye and happy fishing.